Hey everybody and welcome back. If your Chrome is giving you the page unresponsive error and you are looking out how to fix that issue, you may follow up these steps for that. So go ahead and access your Chrome application for that first. And we can start by clearing up the cache and cookies. So look out for the three dot in the top right and select it. And go ahead and select the option of settings from the menu that pops up. So go over the settings. And once you go to settings, look out for the privacy and security option and tap on it. And go ahead and tap on this option called delete browsing data and delete the browsing data. Make sure the cookies inside data and cached image and files are selected. After that, tap on delete data and you should be able to delete the data. This is one of the way possible. Apart from that, you can just go over and update the Chrome. So within the Chrome itself, in the settings, you can scroll down and look out for the About Chrome option and tap on it. And within here, if there is any kind of update for the Chrome application, you can just go over and update it from the section right here. And that should also fix the outdated browser that has bugs that leads to the unresponsiveness. Apart from that, you need to go ahead and disable the hardware acceleration sometimes. So I can just go over and do so or reset the Chrome settings. So go over and you can just go over and install the Chrome or disable it and again reinstall the latest version of Chrome. That is also the way possible. You can just go over and fix the page, and within Chrome itself you can just go over and kill the page. So if you see a pop-up of many pages, so you can just go over and tap on the tab option at the top, and within there just go over and cross out the unnecessary tabs and just go over and remove it. This is one of the way possible. You can just go over and do so, and you should be able to fix the Chrome page unresponsive error. And probably that should fix the issue. Sometimes not having a proper internet connection can cause such kind of issues. So go to settings for that, and within there look out for the connection section and tap on it. And you can just go over and look out for the Wi-Fi and mobile data that you connected. And make sure you are connected to a stable one and try loading up the page, and that should probably work out for you. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.